So let us discuss about the regions and zones in AWS. So what is mean by regions and zones? So let's imagine that our application is deployed in a data center in London. So what are the challenges we may face? So challenge one. So slow access for the users from other parts of the world. So if you want to, let us assume that we are in India. We want to access those applications from India. So we can access those applications, but it is very slow to access those applications due to high latency. So what are the second challenge we may face? So what if the data center crashes? If the data center crashes, the entire application will go down and it becomes low availability. So these are the challenges we may face. So next, so what if we have multiple data centers? So let us add one more data center in same region, that is London. So let us consider two data centers, data center 1 and data center 2 in London region. So what are the challenges we may face? So challenge 1, same, like so slow access for users from other parts of the world. Like if we are in India, if you want to access those applications from India, we can access, but a little bit slow. So challenge 2, it is solved. So even if the one data center crashes, the other data center is still alive. So the users can access these applications from other data center. So challenge number 3, what if the entire region of London is unavailable? So if both data center crashes, the application is unavailable. So these are the three challenges we may face if we have multiple data centers. Next, so multiple regions. So let's add a new region, that is in Mumbai. So now we have two regions, that is London region and Mumbai region. So what would be the challenges we may face? So challenge one. So it is partially solved. Slow access for users from other parts of the world. So as we said that now we are in India, so now we can able to access the application a little bit fast because now the application is in Mumbai region. So, but if I want to access the application from other country other than this, so it may be a very slow. So we can solve this by adding deployments for our applications in other regions also. So we can solve this by adding these applications in multiple regions in multiple countries. So challenge number 2 is solved. What one data center crashes? Even if the one data center crashes or the entire London region data center crashes, the user can able to access the application from Mumbai region. See, our application is still alive from other data centers. So the challenge 3 solved. What if the region of London is available? As you said earlier, even if the London region is unavailable, the users can access the application from Mumbai region. So that is about the multiple regions. So what is regions? So let us consider if we want to set up your own data centers. Like suppose if you want to set up your own data centers around the world, would that be easy? Obviously, it is not easy because it requires a lot of money, lot of infrastructure to set up data centers across the world. But AWS provides 20 plus regions around the world. So it is expanding these regions every year. So in this slide, we can see that it has 20 regions, but in AWS console, we can see that these 20 regions have been updated to 30 plus regions. So that is about regions.